Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2010 BMW 528i. Customer's complaint is the right front headlight is out. Sometimes it's dim, sometimes it comes back on. So we're going to check that out and see what's going on. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, first thing we do, verify the complaint. Let me cut the headlights on. I'm going to start the car up and cut the headlights on. Do I have to start the car up? Are they on?
Yeah. Or is that the halo?
Oh, that's the halo. Okay.
Oh, my bad. Oh. Didn't even turn them on yet.
No, they're on. I guess I gotta cut the key on. Okay, how's the left side?
Okay, it's on.
Okay,
yeah, it's on.
All right.
Nah, I'm just kidding. No, it's not.
Yeah, funny as hell. All right, this one's on. This one's out.
Yeah, it's out. Now it's on.
Now it's on.
So does that mean it's a loose connection?
Something's in there. Got a loose connection there. Either the plug, a ground wire, or something. And what's funny about this, guys, when I just did that, if the ECM in some cars have a lighting module, a computer just for the lighting system. If it's not sensing the right resistance coming from this bulb, it will trigger that on. So even though this is on, our indicator inside may still be on. Matter of fact, let me see. Yeah, I got a explanation point. I don't know what the heck that supposed to mean. Let me start this up. Let's see. Alright, so what we need to do is find out which one is it, what's going on over here. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, to get to this bulb, the bulb requires an H7. You got a cover right here. Then you got a little tab. You got to push that tab down, back that cover up, and there's our bulb down in there. Now to get that bulb out, you have to grab it from right there, and you got to turn it counterclockwise. And that'll probably be a way we can do this. Let me just turn it just a little bit. In fact, you should look over right through here. Turn it counterclockwise and back that up. All right, let's pull this bulb out of here. And what we're going to do is check the connector, the wiring. It's a little broken right there, but that's not going to cause anything. But look at this. If you can see, there's like a dark spot on the bulb. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
You can see that. And look at the filament inside. That's supposed to look like a coil. Oh, that was a perfect shot.
Yeah.
The filament inside is supposed to be like a spring, and that one looks broken. If you see that, it doesn't look complete. Matter of fact, let me get another bulb and I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look. Be right back. Alright guys, I got my new bulb, and when you get these new bulbs, you do not want to touch the glass part. You will shorten the life of that bulb. And here's our old one. Now what we're going to do is put them right together, and you see that little coil spring, that filament inside?
Are you able to put them closer together or no? Okay.
You notice how the one on the right, the old one, is kind of broken, and the one on the left looks like a spring, solid. Nothing wrong with it at all. That was perfect. All right, that is definitely our problem. Why this bulb, it keeps going out, and even though sometimes it's on, the light inside is saying that is something that the bulb is out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back in a box, and we're gonna take this one out. Now to take these out, these are just plugged in, just pushed right in. But take note of a little tab right there. The little tab that's sticking up right there. And that piece right there is right next to that. So what we're going to do is sit here.
We're going to sit here.
Well, you know what we're going to do. This thing is... slowly grab this thing. This thing, you know what? Let me get a little screwdriver. Be right back, guys. Alright, guys, we got us a little flat screwdriver. And what I'm going to do is go in here and just pick this up a little bit on both sides. And just pop it out just like that. Alright, now remember, see, I'm touching the glass with this one. It doesn't matter because it's busted anyway.
Busted. Now, what happens if you put gloves on? Does that help, or does...
Yes, it does help, definitely.
So, wear your gloves.
I don't need no gloves, I'm astral. Now, make sure that flat part right there is going to go up against that little bent up tab. So we're going to push that in there like that. Push it in. We're going to go back down there and put this back in. Now, this tab right here, that's going to be on the bottom of that light. Slowly. You want to be very careful because you don't want to mess up shake this bulb too much and mess up that filament. So we're going to, got it lined up right now, and now I'm going to turn it clockwise. Clockwise till it snaps into place, till you can't turn it no more. Perfect. Okay, now you got the wiring harness. Make sure your wiring harness is inside where the headlight is. Make sure you just tuck it right inside there, just like that. Now if you look way down in there, you're going to see a slot. Okay, now here's your cover. Your cover got a little tab right here. This tab goes into that slot. So when you put it down there, you want to make sure that it goes into that slot first. And once it goes in there, then you just bring it close until that snaps into place. Alright, let's cut our lights on, verify it's done. There we go. We are done. We'll be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 2010 BMW 528i, and we showed you how to replace your headlight, and also how to check if your bulb is bad, or could, you know, check to see if it's a wiring issue or is it the filament inside the bulb. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.